Hi, I am C. Akshata Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since many of you are using Zerodha portal, today I thought of doing this video which will share all the new features that are added in the Zerodha portal. Zerodha portal has now become more user friendly and many new features are added which will help us in our analysis and trading journey. So let us quickly get into this portal and check out what are the new features that are added. Firstly, you can see here along with the chart, the option chain is also available which will help in our analysis. We need not toggle into different tabs to check the option chain now. If you just click on the option chain over here, you will see the whole data coming up here. And you can see here the ATM is highlighted and you can see the call and put LTPs here and the OI. And here below if you see the PCR Max Pain ATM IV and IV percentage is also displayed for a better understanding. Here you also have an option to check the Greeks. By just clicking on the Greeks over here, you will be able to view gamma, vega, theta, delta, IVs and all other information which are required for your analysis. This will help in minimizing your analysis time because you need not talk between different windows. Here everything is available in one single window which will also help you to minimize your time. Now if you want to trade any particular strike, you can directly add it to your basket from the option chain itself. You can just add from this strike and directly it will go to the basket and you can take your trades there. The next feature is the order slicing. Order slicing is introduced to enable traders in placing large orders. If order exceeds the exchange freeze limit, it will be automatically now split into small parts. This works across the regular order window, baskets, trade from charts and positions. The next important feature that is added is previously if you check here only required margin was displayed along with the charges. But now if you observe here along with the required margin along with the charges they will also provide the available margin. So it will help you to exactly see what is the amount that is available with you and how much is required so that you will be able to take quick decisions about your orders. Previously this was not available. This is a new feature that is added in the Kite web. So this is as of now available only in the Kite web. Similarly, there is another very user friendly thing that is added, that is checking the market depth. Previously if we had to check the market depth, we had to go to a particular stock over here and then we need to check the depth over here. Only then we would be able to see what is the order, what is the depth of the particular stock or index. So now there is another feature that is added, that once you click buy over here, that is buy or sell according to your requirement, here you will see a icon. If you just click on this filler, here you will be able to see the bid and offers, that is you will be able to see the market depth right in the place where you want to place the order. So again this will help you in mitigating the time that is required to toggle between different stocks and indices. So directly you can when you want to buy, directly you can check it out here. So if you want to buy any stock, directly go here, click on buy and select this for market depth. Similarly, if you want to buy a particular strike, just go there, select over here, you will be able to check the market depth. So this is a very user friendly tool that is introduced. Now, if you are a person who is trading in a particular quantity, that is every time you take the trade, you go with the same quantity, then you can make this still more simpler. That is, if you just go to profile here, toggle this, that is remember F&O order quantity, then every time you place the order, the previous quantity will be taken. That is, in the first trade, if you put it as say 300, then next time when you take the trade, the same quantity will be auto populated. So you need not fill in the quantity again and again. And this is again available in the Kite web only as of now. The next one is the Kite Connect Personal APIs. Again, this is a free API which helps access and manage your Zerodha account. Another important feature that is added is a basket icon. Now this basket icon is available across all the pages. Whenever you are in any of these pages, you will be able to see this basket icon. So by just clicking on the basket icon, you can directly add any stock which you want to buy over here. You can add HDFC Life, you can add Reliance, anything you can just search here and add it. And you also have an option to change the quantity here. So directly you can do this, and individually you can select the stock. That is, if you have say 3 stocks over here, and if you want to buy say Reliance Infra and CDSL, say 10 quantities each, then you can just select these two and then say place the selected. Or if you want to place an order for all of those which are there in the basket, you directly select place all, so that all the stocks which existed here in the basket will be directly bought. So like this you can use this basket feature, which is again a big plus to the people who are trading. Your time consumption will be less, and anywhere in whichever page you are, you can easily go to this basket and you can carry on your trades. Similarly, here in the option chain, you can just toggle this basket button so that directly you can add these strikes to your basket. You can buy or sell whatever you want to do, you can just add it over here so that it will sit in the basket, and at once you can place all the orders. So this is again a very important feature that is added, which will help us in mitigating lot of confusions and lot of errors that can happen just because of this mistakes in the adding. So directly add whichever strikes you want here, go to the basket and execute the transaction. Again, this option is available only on KiteWeb as of now. The next feature that is added is a mutual fund holdings. So here if you just go to holdings, you can see your equity holdings as well as your mutual fund holdings. If you just click on mutual fund here, whatever holdings you have with respect to mutual funds will be displayed over here. So this is again the new feature that is added, which will enable you to directly check your mutual funds in the Zerodha itself. Here you can do any changes you want, you can edit your holdings, you can carry out any transaction that you wish from this holding menu itself. This is a Zerodha economic calendar. By using this calendar, you can add reminder for all of these events. So when you add reminder for any of this, for IPOs or for any other events over here, you will get a notification of the same in your KiteWeb or in your email ID. So this will help you in remembering different things, and whenever you see the reminder, you can go about and execute whatever action you want to take. So you will receive this notification at 8:30 AM in the morning. So before the market opens, you will be able to decide as to what is your action with respect to the reminder which you have set. The last feature is the auto market order. Whatever orders you place out of the market hours will now be automatically treated as AMO. You need not separately go and select AMO there, that is after market order. Whenever you place any transaction outside the market hours, it will be directly treated as after market orders. So again, this is available only on the KiteWeb as of now. So this was all about the features that are newly introduced in Zerodha. So if you want to open an account in Zerodha, then you can use the referral link that is given in the description. You can just click on the referral link and open a Demat account in Zerodha. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.